Let's see. For example, you create database, you connect to database. You have a table called employee details table, ID, name, manager, like this. Okay, a table related to itself. What is that? Table related to itself. Observe carefully. Okay, here we go. Employee details table, manager ID references. Same table, employee details table, employee ID. Third column references, same table, first column. So a table referencing itself. A table referencing itself. It is called self-referencing table or self-referencing key. Now insert into table name values. Insert into table name values. Finally select. Here, if you observe carefully, the output, Mr. Amin, manager, Mr. Amin is an employee. His manager is 1002. 1002 means Jenny. So Amin's manager is Jenny. Jenny is the manager for this employee.